Why spend 3,000 naira every week on liquid soaps when you can make it at the comfort of your home in larger quantities? Well, you've landed on the right video, as today I'll be teaching you how to make liquid soaps such as this at the comfort of your home. So first thing you want to do is get your ingredients from your local market. Get your STPP, which is your sodium tripolyphosphate. Get your color, Texapon, nitrosol, caustic soda, soda ash, SLS, sulfonic acid, foam booster, perfume, and then the desired quantity of water you'll be using. So you get a big bowl, a very large bowl for your soap, and a stick for stirring. Get another smaller bowl for the powdered ingredients and a spoon for stirring. Then you start by adding all the liters of water you'll be using for your soap into the big bowl, just like this. I'll be making 20 liters of liquid soap today. So I'm adding 20 liters of water into this big basin. As you can see, this is my 20 liters of water. You can make up to 25, 30, depending on what you want. Then into that water, you add your nitrosol. That's the first ingredient you'll be adding. Your nitrosol is a powdered ingredient, so you have to pour it into your big basin of water. You don't need to pour the nitrosol into the basin before adding water, because these are chemicals, and powder chemicals cannot be water cannot be poured into powdered chemicals. Instead, it should be poured into water. So you get your smaller bowl, add water, and then pour in your soda ash, just like this, so that you can dissolve everything. We are not going to add it into our bigger bowl of soap because we do not want to have any lumps or any seeds under. You get what I mean? So we are going to dissolve it into a smaller separate bowl, just like this, before adding it into the bowl. So stir consistently and make sure everything is dissolved properly. When you're sure that everything is dissolved properly, then you can add it into your bigger bowl, just like this. And then you stir, continue stirring. For soap, you just have to keep stirring. Then next thing you want to do is to add your caustic soda. Yes, add your caustic soda to that same bowl that you've been using to dissolve your powdered ingredients, and then you stir. Make sure you're wearing gloves, because some of these ingredients are hot. So if they make contact with your skin, it can damage your skin. So when you dissolve that, you pour it into your bigger bowl and keep stirring. Get that same bowl, add another water, add your STPP, which is your sodium tripolyphosphate. When you pour it into your water, you stir consistently till everything dissolves inside before adding it to your bigger bowl of soap. Make sure all these things you're stirring consistently to avoid lumps. You don't want to waste your ingredients. So you add it to your big bowl of soap and then you keep stirring. You can see there's improvement. Just stir, 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 and then you have to dissolve your SLS next. This SLS is more like rice, it's like grains, as you can see. So it's not going to really dissolve into this big bowl, into this small bowl. Just have to stir it before pouring it into your bigger bowl of soup, just like this. Then you stir consistently, stir till you're sure that you've dissolved everything the much you can. Keep stirring before pouring it into your bigger bowl of soup. After doing that, keep stirring. As you can see, there's already foam in it. So this is your Texapon. The Texapon is liquid-like, and we're going to be dissolving with sulphonic acid. We're going to be mixing the two before pouring it into our bigger bowl of soup. The sulphonic acid is usually brown in color, just like this. Pour everything and then stir them together. After stirring them together, you pour them into your big bowl of soap and keep stirring continuously. Keep stirring to maintain that consistency that you want for your soup. Foam is already coming out, as you can see. Then you add your foam booster. Booster is to make sure your soap foams the way it's supposed to when washing clothes or plates or whatever you want to use it to wash. Just as you can see. Then we want to add our color. I'll be using green color for this soap. You can use any color of your choice. You can use red, you can use pink, whatever color you want to use. You can buy it from the market and use it for your soap. So I'll be using dark green. Pour it into a bowl of water. Stir to dissolve everything. And then you add it to your bigger bowl of soup. And then stir everything completely. You can see our soap is already foaming. This foam is soap on its own. If it should dissolve and cool down, you're going to see that everything here is soap. So nothing is going to be thrown away. Stir and stir and stir and make sure your color dissolves properly before adding your perfume. Perfume is the last thing we're going to be adding to this mixture. You can get perfume like citrus smell, whatever scent you want from the market. You can buy it, then add it to your soap making. And then there you have it. Your soap has been made. Package it into containers of your choice and keep to settle. When it settles, you're going to see that it's going to be so thick like this and okay to use. Later, all this foam on top will still settle. Just give it time. So just look at that foam. It's thick and it's rich. The texture is really smooth and it's able to wash off the oil. You see? So honestly, the next time you want to spend 3,000 naira on liquid soap, just remember you can make yours at home and it works. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and watch out for my next video.